Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be giving my honest review on this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 after using it for complete 2 years. So I'll be sharing my overall experience with this laptop over these 2 years. I'll be telling you guys the consequences that I faced with this laptop, and also I'll be giving you the information about the advantages that I feel about this laptop. So at the end of this video you will definitely be knowing is it worth to purchase Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 in the year 2022. So I request all the people to watch this video till the end. And one more thing I wanted to highlight is the people who already own this laptop, please watch this video till the end and let us know whether you are facing the same issue that I'm going to tell in the further part of the video, so that all the people can know about the ownership review of this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, and the people who are planning to purchase this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 in the year 2022 can have the complete ownership review and they can purchase a best laptop for them in the year 2022. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, let's begin with the most interesting part of this video, that is the problems that I faced with this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 over these 2 years. Firstly, I was hearing a rattling sound from the GPU fans. So here we get two fans to cool the CPU and GPU. So from there I was hearing a rattling sound just after using this laptop for 9 months. So this laptop was under warranty and I reported the issue to the Lenovo service center, and after 2 days the repair person visited my home and issue got fixed. You can view the detail repairing or whatever happened and how it got fixed. That all you can view in a different video which I have uploaded on the same channel. I'll be adding the link in the I button and the description. You can check out the videos to have the complete knowledge on what issue happened and how I reported and how it got fixed. So that was just because of a small paper which got stuck in the GPU fans, but in fact that was the issue. But Lenovo repair person changed the entire cooling fans. That really impressed me, and as soon as I reported the issue, within 2 days it got fixed. So why I am telling you these points is because when you are purchasing Lenovo IdeaPad or Lenovo laptops, you should prefer buying a extra premium warranty, because when you have the premium warranty, then whatever issue you are facing, you will get it resolved as soon as possible. So guys, this was the issue that I faced after using this laptop for 9 months, and I would rate 10 on 10 for the service that is available by Lenovo service center. So guys, the second problem which I want to share with you is regarding the hard disk issue which I faced after 1.5 years. So guys, I had the warranty for this laptop for 1 year. So the hard disk related issue was observed after 1.5 years, so I could not claim it in the warranty.
So if you guys ask me what was the issue was with the hard disk, and when I tried accessing the hard disk was inaccessible.
Then after I tried rebooting everything I tried, but that did not fix the issue. So as this laptop was not under warranty, I took this laptop to the nearby service center and asked them to check the problem. I explained them that hard disk was not accessible. So they analyzed the issue for 5 to 10 minutes and told me that hard disk needs to be changed on this laptop, and that would cost me around 5,800 or 6,000. So I did not change it immediately. I came back home, I ordered the external hard disk reader, and I took off the hard disk from this laptop and installed it on the external hard disk reader, and used the USB port to read the hard disk. So when I connected that, the hard disk was able to read, means my laptop was able to read the hard disk data. So that means that hard disk did not had any issue. I understood that there was no issue with the hard disk. The issue was with the connecting cable which was used between hard disk and the motherboard. So I ordered the connecting cable of the hard disk to the motherboard, and that costed me around 650 rupees. And when I received that, I connected it on my own, and that issue got fixed. So from last 6 months I did not observe any issue related to hard disk or any other stuff. So why I am telling you guys this is, if you have the premium warranty, then you will get a good service from the Lenovo service center. So that's all information that I wanted to give you guys regarding the problems that I faced. So these were the two problems that I faced with this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 in these 2 years. Apart from that, it is superb. In the further part of the video, I'll be telling you in detail about the display, everything related to this, and you will know whether it's worth to purchase in the year 2022. So let's begin with the further part of the video.
Initially, let's discuss about the design, durability and portability. When we talk about the design, it is quite decent and impressive. As the name itself notifies that this laptop is a gaming laptop, but moreover we get a office look with this laptop. And talking about the durability and portability, the complete body of this laptop is made up of hard plastic, and the weight that we feel with this laptop is 2.2 kgs, which is quite decent in the range of gaming laptop. We get 2 USB port, 1 C-type port, 1 HDMI port, 1 Ethernet port, and we also get 3.5mm audio jack port and the charging port on this laptop. The heatsink is given at the bottom of the laptop, which don't allow us to use this laptop on the soft surface. We also get a primary shutter for camera. For keyboard, we get a blue backlight, and the spacing of the keys on the keyboard are very excellent. As per my experience, the mouse trackpad does not feel premium but does the job pretty well. When it comes to the rating, with my overall experience, I would rate design, durability and portability as 8 out of 10. Now let's discuss about the display. So display on this laptop comes with 15.6 inch Full HD display with a brightness of 250 nits. It also comes with a anti-glare IPS technology, and it has a 120 Hz of refresh rate. Because of the anti-glare display, we get a good viewing angle with this display. And when we talk about the colors are too punchy and accurate, but when we don't connect our charger to the laptop and we watch any video or photo, then we might experience a orangish tone on the photo or the video. So well, if you guys ask me to rate the display, I would rate it as 8.5 out of 10 for the display on this Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. Now let's discuss about the performance while gaming and doing heavy tasks. Firstly, I'll be showing you guys the boot speed. So few people say that after few years of usage of laptop, the laptop boots up slow. Even after 2 years, this laptop boots up very quickly. As you can see on the screen, just within 12 seconds, the laptop got completely booted up. For booting speed, I would rate it as 10 out of 10. When we talk about the editing on this laptop, as you can see on the screen that now I haven't connected my laptop to the charger, and we can see that we are seeing a orangish tone on the display, but the experience of editing is too good. And when we talk about the performance, if we are editing a 4K video, then if the video is around 10 minutes, then it gets rendered up within 3 to 4 minutes. That is very excellent on this laptop. So I would rate this laptop for video and photo editing and 3D rendering 10 out of 10. Let me quickly show you guys my laptop configurations. Here I have i5 10300H processor with 16 gigs of RAM and has 256 GB SSD with 1 TB hard disk. It also has dedicated 4 GB NVIDIA 1650 GDDR6 graphics in it. So guys, when we talk about the gaming experience on this laptop, the gaming experience is quite brilliant on this laptop, and I have upgraded my RAM from 8 gigs to 16 gigs. After upgrading my RAM, I have started observing a good frame rate on this laptop. There is a dedicated video on the 8GB and 6GB RAM comparison gaming experience on the channel. I'll be adding the link in the I button and the description, you can check out. Now, if you ask me to rate the gaming experience, I would rate it as 8 out of 10. Because of the thermal, I would take down 2 points. Let's discuss about the battery backup. To be very honest, this laptop does not provide a good battery backup. If you ask me what is the battery backup that we get when we play the gaming, so hardly we get around an hour when we play game on the battery. Mostly it is recommended not to play the games on the battery directly, but everywhere it is recommended that we need to plug in our charger when we play the games to get a best experience out of the gaming. So on this laptop we also get a conservation feature. So when we turn on the conservation, our battery stops charging after 60% and our laptop will be using direct power from the socket or the charger. If you guys ask me to rate the battery backup on this laptop, I would rate it as 5 out of 10. And guys, we cannot expect more battery backup from the gaming laptops. Now let's discuss about few essentials, that is camera output. So here on this laptop we get a privacy shutter button on the camera. And when we talk about the camera output is quite excellent when it is compared with the other gaming laptops. But when you compare the same camera output with the business laptops or the office laptops, it is not that great. If you guys ask me to rate the camera output, then I would rate 9 out of 10 for this laptop. Now let's talk about the most important thing, that is the thermal cooling. Why thermal cooling is most important? Because thermal cooling decides the durability of your laptop. So on this laptop we get 2 inlet for air and 1 outlet for air. So that's quite excellent and it does the job pretty well, and our laptop stays cool for some extent. But if you're gaming for an hour or more than an hour and you're doing some heavy tasks, then definitely laptop heats up a lot. So to avoid the heat, I use the cooling pad for this laptop. I also recommend you guys to choose one for yourself. So I would rate 7.5 for the thermal cooling on Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Lastly, let's discuss about the hardware upgradations available on this laptop. So here you can upgrade your RAM from 8 gigs to 16 gigs. Why only 16 gigs? Because motherboard on this laptop can support only up to 16 gigs. We can also upgrade our current SSD from 256GB to 1TB. So apart from this, we cannot upgrade anything. So I would rate 9 out of 10. Well, my final conclusion will be, if you are getting this laptop around 50,000 or less than 50,000, then definitely go for it. It is totally worth. And if your primary usage is about creativity, productivity, then this laptop is going to be a boom for your usage.
So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. And I believe that after watching this video, you guys are clear whether it's worth to purchase the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 in the year 2022 or not. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. I'll be answering all your comments. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.